An additional strategy to manage your time and remain productive is time blocking. Time blocking involves establishing specific blocks of time to accomplish various tasks. Your class schedule is based on time blocking. You know precisely which block of time you will be in each class each day. You can do the same with your other tasks, responsibilities, and obligations. Time blocking allows you to establish a daily or weekly schedule listing repeating tasks, responsibilities, or obligations. In order to implement time blocking, you designate a specific period of time for each task, responsibility, or obligation, either on a specific day or over a period of several days. For each block of time, if you finish the task, responsibility, or obligation early, you should use the remaining time to begin the next task, responsibility, or obligation, rather than squandering the remaining time on a time robber. Conversely, if you reach the end of the block of time for the designated task, responsibility, or obligation, you should stop. That way, you will not take time away from your next task, responsibility, or obligation. Stopping at the end of the block of time for a designated task, responsibility, or obligation should not be a problem, because if you have used time blocking correctly, you will be able to resume where you left off during the next scheduled block of time for the same task, responsibility, or obligation. Time blocking is particularly useful for breaking large tasks, responsibilities, or obligations into manageable parts and working on them gradually during the designated blocks of time each day until they are complete or due.